Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Google Chrome OS. First, open the Google Play Store on your Chromebook. Search for Roblox and select the official application. Click Install to download and set up the game. Once installed, you can launch Roblox directly from your app launcher. This method provides the most stable and feature-rich experience for playing your favorite games. The primary way to enjoy Roblox on your Chrome OS device is through its dedicated Android application. Simply navigate to the Google Play Store, which is pre-installed on most modern Chromebooks. Once there, type Roblox into the search bar and choose the official app. After a quick installation, you'll have full access to the vast world of Roblox, offering a seamless gaming experience. While many games can be played directly in a browser, Roblox typically requires a downloadable client for its full functionality. Unfortunately, this client is not compatible with the Chrome OS environment. Attempting to play through the browser will often lead to prompts for a download that cannot be completed. Therefore, relying on the Android app from the Google Play Store is the only reliable method for playing Roblox on your Chromebook. To ensure the best Roblox experience, consider a few tips. First, close any extra browser tabs or applications running in the background to free up system resources. Keeping your Chrome OS updated to its latest version can also resolve many performance issues. If you experience persistent problems, a simple restart of your Chromebook often helps. Finally, adjusting Roblox's in-game graphics settings to a lower quality can significantly improve frame rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.